Today we're going to be shooting a little pistol. The first one on the list is a Glock 19 9mm. Second one on the list is a FNX 9mm. The third one on the list is my FNP-45. Let's shoot some steel. God, I hate Minnesota winters. So we're going to take a little bit of 45 action on this snow. That makes me feel a little better. Jam! The Glock jammed. Oh shit, oh shit. Failure to feed, failure to feed. It's 0 degrees out here and my nose is drippy.
I think it's the mag.
It's a magazine, not the Glock.
It's the one that was having issues when I...
Glocky.
Okay.
God damn, your hot brass is going down my fucking sleeve.
Yeah, I wish I could hit those fuckers. I don't know what the deal is.
Oh shit. Oh, Merry Christmas!